Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 150 of my coding journey. So yeah man, 150 days straight of staying consistent, trying to learn something new every single day. And yeah man, staying consistent really does help the process of learning all of this stuff really fast. I still have a bunch of stuff to learn, but I'm really starting to feel a little bit more confident. And yeah, whenever I come back from that break that I mentioned yesterday, I think I might start applying for some jobs for a junior developer position. Um, Hopefully I'm ready. I'm a little nervous to do it, but yeah. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be working on the full stack e-commerce site. There's a ton of like miscellaneous things that I really want to try to get done today. So let's get started. So first things first. All right, let me make sure I'm in the frame. All right, there we go. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this grid. I might get rid of it. Not sure yet. But I am going to give it a shot. Maybe put some text over top of these images and change up the images. But I was really thinking about going back to that slider and just using like this image here. This image is really nice, the middle one. But before we do that, there's a couple things that I really wanted to do. So there, I got some TypeScript errors on some of my components. I think this is one. Oh no, I fixed this one. Okay, already fixed that one. Product type. I think I got one here. Quantity is missing in the key string. Dude, these TypeScript errors, oh my god. Bro, I was working on the CRUD application that I'm planning on doing like a tutorial style video on this week. And I spent last night, I was woke, because I do most of my work when, you know, the family sleep. So like I'd literally be losing sleep because because of like these errors and stuff like that. So I planned on going to bed at what? I planned on going to bed at like 2 in the morning. I didn't end up going to bed till 5 because of these TypeScript errors. And yeah, not on this application. It was the CRUD application, the to-do list with Firebase that I plan on recording this week. But it's crazy. So we got a few errors here. I might just skip for now. Okay, here we go. ID. I'm gonna just skip those for now. So moving on to the next. So what I want to do is in the nav bar, no, actually in the cart. There's a few things that I want to take out of this and turn into like just break it down to smaller components. So for example, this increment button, I want to like put it inside its own file because I might use this button, you know, somewhere else in my application. So this button here, that button, and also that button there. So I'm going to take these and I got to add the cart button here. So what I'm going to do is actually in my components, I should probably put these in a UI folder. So what I'm going to do is actually move these to a UI. Let's do that. Probably should go get my glasses. Right, UI app. All right, so let's do UI. And in here, I'm gonna go ahead and move that button, add the cart button. Actually, let's make a folder in here called buttons. Be a little bit more organized. I don't think anything else have to go in here, but but oh, we got a TypeScript error here. So to fix this, all we got to do is let me take off this little bracelet thing. All we got to do with this one, let's go ahead and import the product type. It'll be under types here. So product type and import product. Come on, please auto. There we go. And we just gotta set the type to product type. I should fix that. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna move this button to the UI folder, just like that. I don't think we got to make a whole button folder and none of that. I'm actually gonna change the name as well. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it add to cart. All right, we got an error. Probably should have looked at the error before I moved it. Wow. Okay, failed to source. Oh, I think because we moved it, right? So let's go to the nav bar. And no, actually it's in a cart. And I'm going to, wait, what? Oh, it's not on the cart. It's on product, I believe. And it's here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just import add cart button. All right, we got another error. I think. Let this load up. Okay, there we go. I think it's working now. Yep. All right, make sure it still works good. Go ahead and empty out our cart. And there we go. Nice. All right. So that's that. And now I want, like I said, I want to move all, like, separate all of like the little buttons inside of the cart, because I'm definitely going to use these again, because like on the, whenever I click on the product, I want like a, you know, page to open up, and now you have the ability to add, you know, more than one quantity without having to go to the cart to do it, but you also have the option to do it in a cart as well. So I'm definitely going to be using these buttons again, so I do want to take these and put them in the UI. So let's go ahead and do that. Right, wait, this thing is not even in the UI. Okay, there we go. Yes. Now we got it. Okay, it already fixed it. Let's refresh that. All right, now let's go ahead and create it. So this is going to be, I'm gonna name this increment button .tsx, and then I'm gonna do one for decrement button. I'm probably spelling these wrong, by the way. Decrement button .tsx. All right, so let's start with the increment. RAFE. Yo, look how much tabs I got open. Oh my god, I'm so unorganized sometimes. All right, so cart, and what I'm gonna do is just grab. All right, we gotta see how we're gonna do this. Actually, it'll be pretty easy. Okay, so we'll just grab this. Actually, we gotta grab all of this here. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it out. So let me make sure. So this is the add one. I'm gonna cut that out, and I'm gonna put that one inside of the increment button. I'm gonna return a fragment. I probably don't. Actually, I don't think I need to return a fragment. Probably should just work like that. All right, now we just gotta import everything that needs to be imported. So I'm gonna import my use cart store. And this is Zoostan. This is my cart store in Zoostan. And we gotta do cons cart store equals use cart store. That should get rid of those errors. And now, okay, I see what I did there. I knew I was gonna run into an issue. Always run into issues. Okay. All right, let's go back to the cart. I forgot that I'm mapping. Am I? Hold on. Yep, I am. I'm mapping through all of this. Man, great. Well, I could probably just pass it in there. Let's see. So the product is basically an array, right? So what we'll do is, let's go ahead and do increment button. And then hopefully this works. Just pass it to product. And then product. Okay. So I am gonna get TypeScript errors, unfortunately. But I'm gonna try to fix those later. I just want to see if this is gonna work. So we passing it to products. I can just structure it here, product. And what I probably can do is actually, since this an array, I could probably make. So the product is just basically the product types. So let's import that. Import product type. Oh, product type. Let's see if this works. Get rid of it. Product type does not exist in product type. It does not exist. So what I could probably do is do just I mean, we got it working, but we got some TypeScript errors. And man, TypeScript errors really does piss me off sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. But they're really fun to figure out. All right. We go back to the cart. And I'm gonna cut this out. Increment. Okay. So with that, everything should work minus the TypeScript error that I have right now. But I think I know how to fix that. But I just want to make sure that I get this working. So add to cart. And we should be able to still increase it. Nice. And decrease it. Okay. So all we did was basically really simple. We just passed the product in through props down to the increment button. So, but now we got some TypeScript errors, and I think I know how to fix this. So product is any. So I can't do a string because it's accepting all of this stuff. So I thought this would probably work. So it's the product. Huh. Oh. Increment. I could probably just do, let's see if this works right quick. Let's do an interface. Let's do increment. Right. Okay. Okay, so increment prop type and product. Oh my god, it's making me trying to buy this theme for VS Code product. So it can't be a string, I don't think. What the hell can it be? Let me go back and look. Not Tailwind, TypeScript. Types. Okay. So these are all the types. What's a tuple? Oh. Okay. So I think I could do that, right? A string and like a number. Can I do something like that? Let me see. Let me go ahead and make this increment prop type very quick. Okay, so let's see what errors I get now. Hold on. Product type equals let's do product type array. So ID doesn't exist in product type. It definitely does exist in product type. Wait, it worked. There we go. It worked. Let's go. I'm moving on. Get away from this file. Okay, so we did it. Okay. I don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Okay. So let's go and grab the decrement button. So this is oh, we got a one here. Fuck. Property description is missing in cart type, but required in product type. Description is declared. Exact type comes from okay, so it said it's missing in art type. So can we just do that? Make it optional? Or no? Type card type is not assignable to product type. Types of property quantity is incompatible. Do that as well. Nice. Dude, I'm getting really good at these TypeScript errors. Let's go. I don't know what the hell I just did, but well, I knew what I did, but I don't know if this is like the right thing to do. So basically this question mark is basically makes it optional. So yeah, hopefully that's not like a bug that I'm creating or anything. All right, so that's that. Let's go ahead and do the decrement button now. And where are we at? We got basically I do the same exact thing we did here. So cart, and let's take this button and get rid of it. Oh, there we go. All right, and go to the decrement, RAFE. Paste everything in there. Going to do our imports. So import use cart store, and we got to import product type. Product type, and go ahead and destructure it. Product. And go over to our cart. Decrement button. We'll pass it product. Alright, so I think that's everything we gotta do there. And now let's go ahead and do our interface. And this is gonna be decrement. I mean, we could probably put this in types, but it's only two small files. I could just make a button prop type or something, or something like that. But I mean, if I find myself having to do this, I will just go ahead and do that. I'm really shocked that this didn't work though, like this itself. So like, how come that doesn't work? But yeah, decrement button, decrement prop types. Is that what I named this one? Increment prop types. Let's do decrement prop types. Prop type. And we're gonna do a product. And this is gonna be equals to product type. So that should get rid of that error. If I'm not mistaken. Come on. Please. Same. Oh, we gotta equal it to that decrement prop type. All right, so that should work. And now let's do a const cart store, and this is going to be equal to use cart store. And last but not least, we just have to cut this out and put it inside of our decrement button. And there we go. Let's test this out. My computer's going slow. Wait till this error. Wait till this error fixes out. Come on, you can do it. There we go. All right, so it's already in the cart. Let's go ahead and decrease it. Let's add it back. Increase and decrease. Nice. So there we go. We split up our UI a little bit. We gotta add the cart button, so that way I can literally just take this once I create my oh, my mouse died. Great. All right, I'm back. So I had to get the charger for my mouse. It's never go with the wireless mouse. One of the worst decisions that I ever made. This thing dies so much. But yeah, so I forgot what I was saying. So basically, you know, whenever I create, you know, the page for the product itself, you know, with the description and more images of that product, I have the ability to, you know, to move all of this stuff and don't have to rewrite it. I can just, you know, add the cart on that page. I can add a decrement. I can add an increment. And yeah, so that's that. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do. So I'm trying to really keep my code organized in this file, because my first React project, Tripper, which is my travel agency, I'm actually going to work on that tomorrow. It is so unorganized. and I really hate working in it, but I just don't got the time to really organize it because I'm working on this project. I'm working on, other stuff. I'm still learning as well, watching videos all day. But so I'm just gonna probably just try to get it completed and deploy it soon. So where was I at? So let's go to cart, and I'm actually gonna upload this to GitHub. Let's go ahead and upload it to GitHub right quick. One of my instructors told me that every time I have a habit to basically upload into GitHub every, like, once I'm finished for the day. But he said, probably should commit after, major changes. And I think this is a major change, moving the buttons and making them smaller. So probably should commit changes, like that, and make sure you describe, the changes. So git add and git commit -m. And what we did, we I don't know. Made buttons. Made button components. I don't know. I'll understand. I'll understand what that is. Git push. Alright, so we pushed it. Alright, so now what I want to do is probably work on this section. So I'm not sure. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and open my GitHub. Not now, actually, because I think I might go back with the slider. So I might go look at my GitHub and just copy over the code that I'm use for the slider. I don't know. It's just, this is just, I don't think I should go with a grid here. This grid will look nice somewhere else. So yeah, I'm not gonna even try to even add like text and stuff. Let me go over to my GitHub, and let's go ahead and repositories. We at premium caps. All right. So what I'm gonna do is go back to, what's this? That was the carousel. And the app, components, carousel. And now we have to figure out add and stripe, navbar, change carousel. I think this is it, change carousel. So this is where I changed it. All right, so let's copy this code and go over to the carousel and paste. Well, oh man, I gotta copy it like this. Wait, oh, it's showing the changes plus. Oh man, that's gonna suck. Oh no. Is there a way that I can just see? Okay, here we go. Let's copy it now. No errors either. That's perfect. So this thing should just probably just work, right? Go ahead and start the npm undev. While that's loading up, check and see who texts me. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and see what this is about, because I might use this image here. I really like this image. I think the images look nice. The middle image, I just put some text on it, something like that, save big or something. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's refresh. My computer goes so slow. So these images I had to upload to this site called, I forgot the site name, but maybe this link could take me to it so I can get a URL for it, because that's the only way it will work. The way I got this set up is I got the background image changing. So yeah, this is it, man. I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks so nice. Like I made this in Photoshop. This thing looks nice. Let me see something. Maybe I could just get rid of the free shipping. Like, see, it would have to like, make sure you guys can still see the screen. All right. So yeah, I think I might just go with that image. So where is that image, by the way? It's not there. I made these in Photoshop as well. I gotta organize my files. Not that one, not that one. I don't think this is the right one that I want. I don't want that one. So let's go over to Adobe Stock. I think that's where I got it from. Adobe Stock Images. And let's download just a nice fresh one. And to make our files smaller, we need to just get rid of these. But I'm gonna leave them for now just in case I'll use them again. Where is it? Where are you at? There we go. I like this one. All right, so let's re-download. And show in folder. Let's rename it to slider. I'm just gonna put slider. You guys probably can't see the screen. There's probably a little bit of it. I'm looking for it. I hate when it moves once you rename it. I gotta clean my computer out. Alright, so slider, I'm gonna put this in the public folder. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright. So let's close out some of this stuff. That's probably why my computer's on. So let's just close out of every single thing. Okay. And going to close out of that. Okay, so nice and fresh. We got our UI. Got these images that I have to delete. We have error products cannot be used as a JSX component. Don't know what that means yet. Let it keep going. Alright, we got dude, this looks so clean. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Alright, let's go over to carousel. And oh, I forgot. So I probably didn't even need to actually. Let's go back to Adobe Stock. Forgot that I'm using background image, so all I have to do is just copy the URL for it. I didn't even need it to download it. How do I? I think I gotta download it, do I? Alright, I'm just gonna go to this link and just upload it there right quick. Okay, I guess that's not it. Okay, so it's called IBB. Okay, IBB image upload or something. I don't know. There we go. And it's free hosting. You just start uploading. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the slider. I think it's under downloads. Okay. Desktop, no. I just drag in here. Actually, no. Show in folder, and I'm gonna drag it to the desktop. Oh, I got removed. Great. Oh my god. Re-download. Alright, just move it there. And okay, start uploading. Where we at? Yeah, Adobe stop. Doing all this just to freaking get an image. Alright, so let it go. Don't delete, upload, let that upload, close out of this. Okay, so here's the link to it. Now let's go to the carousel. Let's get rid of that. Maybe not. Okay. Why does it look like this? Load for resolution. Oh, I think it's gonna take some of the resolution down on it, huh? Copy image address and paste it here. Okay, that's a totally different URL than you gave me. All right, let's get rid of that. See how this looks. See, look at the quality, man. That is horrible. That's horrible. Yeah, that's horrible. I think I might go back to my grid. I think I might go back to the grid. Let's go back to GitHub. Just play around with the grid a little bit before I go. I don't know how long I've been recording. Alright, so close to an hour. So let's go to the grid. Let's go to premium caps. And go to app. Component. Carousel. And I'm just gonna copy this. Right. Refresh that. Okay, so how are we gonna do this grid? So I don't know, it just doesn't look right, man. Then again, I really didn't give it a try, so I do like this image there. I love this image in the middle there. But maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I don't need text. Maybe I'll just do models. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so what I probably can do is this. Let's go to Adobe Stock and look up men's cap, men's cap. I don't know, men's cap. Just don't have anything like with my colors I want. Ooh, I like this one. That one's nice. Let's change the orientation to vertical. Okay. I like this one. Cause maybe I'm just overthinking it, man. Alright, I think I'm overthinking it. You know what? We're gonna go with this one. And I'm gonna give something a try. So let's license this one. How many? I'm on a free trial right now. You guys know, you know. I don't want to say get into too much details of how I be keep getting these free trials, but yeah. So show in folder, and I'm just gonna rename this to grid image 1. Now I gotta find it, and let's go in and put it in the public. Okay, so like I got an idea how I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's see if this is gonna look nice. So now let's find a woman cap. Something that's like kind of like that. This is perfect. Is this the same thing? Like same background? Oh my god, that would be so perfect. License that just to be sure. And let's go ahead and show in folder. Oh, show in folder, and this is gonna be, we're gonna name this grid image 2. Grid. Oh, I lost it. Great. Rename grid image 2. Oh my god. Image 2. And go ahead and drag that to the public. Okay, let's take a look at these images right to it. They kind of look the same. They kind of, right? Can't really like tell. Let's keep looking though. Let's see if we find anything else. I wish it had a men like this, like this color, but in men. Women got way better ones. Like, oh my god. Wait, let's go back to the men. Number 1. Okay. Yeah, women got way better ones. Like, look at that one. That was nice. Maybe if I type in men suede cap. Men suede cap. Oh, nothing pops up. Alright, let's see what we can do with these for now. So, let's go over to the carousel. And what I'm going to do is remove one of these. remove one on each side and have like one bigger box and then one bigger box. So let's see which one is which. So this one is obviously the first one. Let me separate it a little bit. Okay, so this one is obviously the first one. So we're going to start 4 and 5. Let's get rid of this one and see what happens. Dude, my computer goes so slow. This is how I work, guys. It takes this long to like refresh. Like unbelievable, man. Okay, so that's that one. So I guess we can keep it like that and then go down to this last one, and instead of it starting on row 2, it'll start at row 1. So that should increase this box here to the top. Let's see. Okay, oh, it did. What the fuck? It did that one. Okay. Okay. All right, so it did that one for some reason. I know this one is this big one there, I think. Test. Yeah, I think that one is actually no. Hold on. This is the big one. This one. Let's see what this one is. Gotta go here soon. Okay, so that one's just that one. That one just got rid of that. Okay. So okay, I think I see what happened. So get rid of this one, and nothing should change on this side here, but one should come back here. Okay, there we go. And now all we have to do is, instead of this one starting at row 1, I mean row 2, we're gonna start this one at row 1, and now it should increase up. There we go. Okay, so let's see if we can make this look decent, I guess. Let's just copy this down here, and I'm gonna do men's. This is gonna be from grid image image1.jpeg. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna change this one to men. Let's see how this looks. Please look okay. Decent. I just need you to look decent. I'm really picky. Like, I'm spending this much time on a slider. I mean, I got most of the functionality working though for the site, so I'm excited for that. Come on, play it. Where'd it go? Oh, I think it's this one. Is it? Oh, there we go. Nice. I'm gonna keep going. See what happens. Okay, import woman from, copy this down there and just change this to 2. And then down here, we're gonna change this to, and then obviously we gotta change the middle image. Come on. Shouldn't take you that long to load. Unless I did something wrong. Hold on. Public grid image 2. Yeah, I don't think it should take that long to load. I think I did something wrong. Women's. Oh, everything seems right. Oh, there it goes. It just, wow, it takes so long to load. Okay. This don't look that bad. This really don't look bad at all. Hold on. I could probably really make this work. It's just, I don't like the different images. I'm so picky, but I need to stop because it's just a practice project. Let's do a round it. Go around it. I don't think rounded will look nice on this anyway. Oh, maybe that don't work. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay. Alright, I mean this is okay, I guess. What I can do is probably like, I guess if you hover on it, it kind of like fades and then the text will show up saying woman then men, and just I think that'll look better instead of just having, but I don't know what I'm gonna put here in the middle. Definitely gotta figure that out. How long I've been recording? So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put in the middle here. Maybe guess we can go look right quick. Got a little bit of time left. But I mean, this doesn't look bad. I think I might change the color of like this whole entire site before it's, before I get too deep into like styling. Like I think that's what really messed me over is the color that I chose, and now I was trying to find images to match that. But if I go with like these dark colors, like a dark black or dark gray or something, I think it'll look nice. I definitely can make it look nice. All right, so let's look up cap. Models, I don't know. Add models. Really like this image for some reason. I'm gonna figure it out. But I think I might end this video here. I think this is a good place to stop. Maybe just go over everything right quick before I end the video. So we broke this down. I don't think I need to break this down anymore. Got increment, got decrement, and okay, that looks nice. This is like the loading thing. I'm actually gonna work on this. I'm gonna try to add like a loading spinner to this. But for now I'm just gonna leave it like that. And here is the nav bar. This thing looks beautiful. Try to keep my code organized. What I really might do is actually take so let's see, because I think this is another example of me having to like the login and sign in button, because I think I used it twice in this. Let's see, hold on, let me see what I did here. So image, where's the user menu? So this is the desktop menu, and we have, where's the button at? This is user menu. This is the mobile menu icons. Mobile menu. Where the hell is the button? Okay, here's the button. So here's the button, the login and sign up button, right? So this is the user isn't signed in. And so I have all of this right here retyped up here, I believe. So look, see, look right here. So like, just to like save time, I can toss the login button and the sign in button into the UI, and that way just to save some code, some space. And then also, so I think I might do that and just do like a login button, sign in button. And then also, see, this file is getting really big. It's like almost 200 lines of code, and it's kind of hard to read, kind of. So what I'll do is probably, so this is the desktop menu. What I'll probably do is create, I don't think that's ideal though. I don't think I should do that. Like I think I'd probably just leave that. I was gonna do like a mobile menu component, and then a desktop menu component, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. But I am gonna separate those buttons, the login and sign in button. I think that'd be cool. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this a little bit today. So if you guys see it changed, I'm definitely gonna try to get this header section completed today, because this thing is really, I'm keep switching it up and all types of stuff. But that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, actually, I'm working on Tripper. I'm gonna probably spend like an hour and a half working on that tomorrow on video, but then off video, I do plan on damn near completing it. I want to deploy it this upcoming week. This is my first React project. It's not the best. Some of the code is really messy in there and unorganized, but I'm keeping it like that just so I can, look back and see, how, like, as you can see, I'm switching components and making like breaking down the components. I didn't do that at all in there. Everything is just like, a lot of this code is in one file. I got like one file with like 500 lines of JSX. So not 500, I think it's like 400 lines of JSX. So it's pretty bad. But that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.